Hey foodies, I'm Amber Agria and I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect roast pork belly at home. Listen to this. Place your pork in a strainer in the sink and pour over boiling water. Pat very dry with paper towels and season liberally with salt. Salt helps to draw the moisture out, resulting in super crackly, crispy skin. Place pork crackling side down and use a sharp knife to slice your pork thinly. Look at that succulent pork. And you're ready to serve platter style, just like your favourite Vietnamese restaurant.